So this is going to be the unboxing and maybe starting of the grass heads, as I showed you guys in the haul video from the Science Museum. So I'm going to do that. Yeah, Fish Fanatic 100. Duh. So I've gotten the container open with the grass heads. It's nice because it's shaped like the little figure. So it says first to take the little top sticker thing. Stuck pretty good. Got most of that off. Okay, so I've done that. Next, it says to remove the little seed starter. Okay, let me get this thing out. It's stuck pretty well. I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec. Okay, here it is with the little seed starter packet. So I guess next it says replace seeds. Oh, it says soak in water for 5 minutes. So yeah, this is the little grass heads. It's nice. You can use it for other things, I guess. It's cute. It's a little thing. So I'm going to go get some water. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so I got some water from the tap. I'm gonna unscrew it. So it just says to soak. So I'm just gonna take this little part. I'm just gonna take this part from it. I'm gonna use it to soak it in because I don't have any other containers on hand. So I'm just gonna pour some water in. And I am going to soak. Stay in. Yeah. So I'm supposed to do that for 5 minutes. And then, it will be, then I have to put it in, and then wait and water it every day. Let me show you another one I got. I got this a while ago and I haven't started it yet, so let me show you this. This is an iGrow. It's kind of the same concept, but it's a little different. So I haven't started this yet. I might as well start it. Because I'm clearing off my windowsill a little. Because I grown some plants. I've grown a few spider house plants. And I'm going to put my Venus flytrap in the fridge soon. So that will hopefully work out well. Let me show you them. This is my spider I'm going to hopefully transplant soon. Up here I have 2 little cactuses. I have my other small spider, my Venus flytrap, and my sprouting plants. So, and I'm gonna have more space here. So hopefully this will have a nice amount of room. So this is I grow, so I'm just gonna take it out and see what it says to do. Okay, it says to fill a bowl full of water. So I need a bowl for that. 1 second, I probably also need some more water because I don't know if that's enough. So first, let me see what it says. 1 sec, sorry. So yeah, so it comes with this, and then it also comes with these stickers for the different mouths if you want to like put those on. This is soaking pretty well, I think. Hope. You hope. So for this it says to fill a bowl or glass of water and then hold it under. Okay, so I'm going to be right back with water and a bowl or cup, I think. Yeah, 1 sec. Here is my cup of water, and I'm going to put my little I grow in. Get in the water. I'm glad I didn't fill it up all the way. It's pretty big. So I'm supposed to just hold it here for a few minutes. And this is doing pretty well. I'm probably going to leave it an extra few minutes so it gets a lot of water. This is room temperature water, I think. I just took it from the tap and poured it in a little cup. This is getting a little less buoyant, but it's going to take a few minutes. So, yeah. So I like these little things, and I'm hopefully going to post more videos when they've grown some and I've styled their hair and stuff. I like plant and animal-based activities, because, yeah, I just do. So, just waiting. You can see the grass seeds. There! Yay! I pushed it down in the cup so it's holding it, so I don't have to hold it anymore. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the, whatever it's called, grass heads, has soaked long enough. Maybe a little longer. Yeah. Thanks for watching my videos, everyone. This is my dog, Max. Max? Max! He's very cute. And yeah, I love plants and animals. So let me just set the little grass heads up. I think it's been enough time in the water. Let me just get this in here. There we go. I just have to like twist this in. Ooh. There we go. It's kind of messy and the water is getting murky. Well, it's like all, yeah, but yeah. So let's see what it says to do next on the grass heads. It says to put it in the grass head and then just to water it once a day. So I'm just gonna get something to clean off a little bit of dirt. So that's it for the grass heads. I am just going to put it up on my windowsill now. I hope it gets enough light. It's winter now, so I hope it's good. Yeah. Comment if you think it's not getting enough light, because the other plants look good and they seem to be getting enough light. So that's it for the grass heads. I'm gonna pour out that water in a sec. And let's check back on our iGrow. I think it's almost soaked. So after that, I'm just gonna get some of the sticky stuff out of this containing thing. It's kind of sticky and gross. One sec. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that there. After it says to soak it, it says that I should fill the plastic cup with water and place your iGrow at the top of the plastic cup. So I'm gonna put the water from my grass heads into my iGrow. There. It's a little dirty. I don't think that matters. It's okay. Wait, I got some of the little stickers. So after that, it says to put the iGrow and plastic cup into the greenhouse. So I guess the box is the greenhouse. So I'm going to take it out. Hopefully it's soaked enough. I can't get it out. Okay. I'm going to put a little water back because it's too much. Do you think it's soaked enough? It says a few minutes. It's getting kind of mushy. Oops. Okay, there's way too much water in here. It's spilling everywhere. I'm going to pour out like half of it. There we go. That's better. Okay. So there's my little eyebrow. And I'm just going to clean up a little of the water that's spilled. Sorry this is so long, it just takes a few minutes for each of the things. Okay, so it says to place this in the greenhouse. I have to put you guys down for a second. Next, it says I'm just going to close it, I think, most of the way. And I'm going to put it up on my cell, and I'll show you guys on updates. There it is. Thanks for watching. This is Fish Fanatic 100. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye. And like if you love animals and plants too.